By the early 2010s, the term 3D printing and additive manufacturing evolved since in which they were alternate umbrella terms for additive technologies. One being used in popular love by consumer makers, communities, and the media, and the other used more formally by industrial end-use part producer, machine manufacturers, and global technical standard organizations. Until recently, the term 3D printing has been associated with machines low in price or in capability. 3D printing and additive manufacturing reflect that the technologies share the theme of material addition or joining throughout a 3D work developed under automated control. Peter Zielinski, the editor-in-chief of Additive Manufacturing magazine, pointed out in 2017 that the terms are still often synonymous in casual usage, but some manufacturing industry experts are trying to make a distinction whereby additive manufacturing comprises 3D printing plus or other technologies or other aspects of a manufacturing process. Other terms that have been used as synonymous or hypernyms have included desktop manufacturing, rapid manufacturing as the logical production level successor to rapid prototyping, and on-demand manufacturing, which echoes on-demand printing in the 2D senses of printing. The fact that the application of the adjectives "rapid" and "on-demand" to the non-manufacturing was novel in the 2000s reveals the long prevailing mental model of the previous industrial era, during which almost all production manufacturing had involved long lead time for laborious tooling development. Today, the term "subtractive" have not replaced the term machinery, instead complementing it. When a term that covers any removal method is needed, Allen's tooling is the using of modular means to design tooling that is produced by additive manufacturing of 3D. Thank you. Allah